shores, but the flow is becoming faster. Time is really short before there comes disaster. It's the waterfall, we know that for sure. Where water forms a wall and the flow is really pure. What was ending gold, no one probably could say. Bringing water blow, ending the journey someday. The condition is only calm before reaching it, and after you need to take that vow and select things to master. Before reaching it, you should be ready. And when the time comes, get yourself steady. It's the waterfall, we know that for sure. Where water forms a wall and the flow is really pure. What was ending gold, no one probably could say. Bringing water blow, ending the journey someday. And you may regret about what's coming. You'll never forget after finished rally. It's the waterfall, we know that for sure. Where water forms a wall and the flow is really pure. What was ending gold, no one probably could say. Bringing water blow, ending the journey someday. Ending the journey someday. After going through that, you will might wonder, why did you not take a chance to sunder?